Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I wanted to show you something on the 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe. This is the limited trim level. I wanted to show you the exterior lighting, the headlights and the taillights and everything, just to give you an idea of what everything looks like in a darker atmosphere than what I normally get to show in my videos. You will find, obviously, a little bit bright, but there are your turn signal indicators turned on. You also have the turn signal indicators built into the side view mirrors. And we'll work our way back here to the rear and show you the tail lights and how everything looks with the blinker turned on and just the regular light turned on right there. But one thing that I really must say impressed me here is the ambient lighting. And you can even see how bright the interior is when the lighting is on that just lights the interior as far as your map lights, reading lights, that kind of thing. But we'll hop inside here and take a quick look. Here is what everything looks like in the back seat area. And here's a quick look at the front from the back seat. Kind of the best view possible, I would say, at least overall from this perspective. And here's how everything looks from the driver's seat. A lot of ambient lighting. You know what the title of the video is, so you know what this vehicle is. But if you didn't know, it might surprise you to find out that it's a Hyundai. Tell me what you think down in the comments section. And obviously you have the area right here that sanitizes, well, whatever items you want to put in there as far as your cell phone or a wallet or a watch or really just whatever fits. And if you're wondering about making changes to your ambient lighting, I know somebody's going to ask that question, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to go into settings, and we're going to go into vehicle. We'll go right here to lights, and obviously to ambient lighting right here. Now there are a few different choices that you can have depending on what you want to do. You can change how bright the lights are. You can also go down here and change to link to drive mode. You can also change to dim in darkened conditions if you want to. Now link to driving modes, I'm going to turn that on and you'll notice that it changes right there. And you change your drive modes right here. So let's just see what we come up with when we make those changes. So there's one option. Now we've already seen this option. So basically, those are your options as far as your lighting goes. Which one do you like the best? Tell me down in the comments section. And if you want to see my full video on the 2024 Santa Fe, check out the pinned comment down in the comments section. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you in the next video.